Hello.
Hello.
Hey! Oh my gosh, how are
Hello. I'm good. How about you? Thank you for this energy.
you? Oh, no, thank you. You have good energy as well.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I think you're not at home, right? I think you're in caravan, car, I guess.
Actually, I'm at home. This is my home. I'm traveling. So I live in a
Wow.
yeah. Yeah. Where are
Thank
you? Your
you.
background looks amazing. What is all of
Thank.
this?
Mm-hmm. Actually, I'm at my office. I made it
Where?
for myself. I'm at home.
Are you your office? So you're like a manager of a rock band or something?
Oh my goodness. I would love to, but I'm not actually. I'm just a big fan of rock bands.
Very
Yeah,
cool. That's amazing. It's so
yeah.
interesting. What's your name?
My name is Ahmed. It's nice to meet
Ahmed.
you. How
Yay.
can I pronounce your name?
Yeah, my name is like Jaurné.
Jaurné. Wow, it sounds
Yeah.
like a French name, right?
It's a French name. I'm not French though. I'm like fully South African.
Well, guys, I'm really into South African guys. You guys you are down to earth. I always get the vibes while talking to South African guys.
Wow, that's nice to hear. I mean, I like my country. I like my people. I like
Mhm,
our food. You're from where? I
mhm.
can't tell. I can't tell where you're
Um,
from.
wow, let's play this game though.
Oh, let's play this game.
Guess my country. Okay. Um, okay, let's make it easy for you. I'm from Middle East, obviously.
Middle East. Okay, okay.
Uh-huh.
I'm not gonna
Mm-hmm.
look at your profile. I'm gonna ask you questions and then I'm gonna guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I haven't looked at your profile yet, so I'm just gonna guess. So
Uh,
let's see.
the game is
Um,
getting better. Okay.
yeah. Do you like manta?
I like it, but actually, we don't cook it frequently.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Do you understand what the word bonjour nazar means?
You are referring to I am from Morocco,
I think you're from like Turkey.
from Turkey. Uh huh. No,
No?
no.
This is difficult. I don't
Hmm.
know. I don't know. This is so difficult because the thing is like
Okay,
you
let
have
me make it.
eyes. Yeah.
Yeah, some people in my country, they have blue eyes. Okay, let me make it easy for you. Um, we have borders with Turkey.
Right. Have borders with Turkey.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Ahmed, listen, my geography is terrible. I'm the worst
I
really.
me too, boy, me too.
No,
Yeah,
you're
I'm
lying.
really
You're
bad at geography. I'm trying, actually. I'm trying hard, to get to know
uh,
the cities, the capital cities. Okay. Um, do
I
you give up?
I think I'm gonna peek at your profile. I'm gonna look.
Okay.
You're from Iraq?
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah.
Cool. That's
Have
great.
you ever had students from Iraq?
No, actually, never. I've never had
This is your
students from
first
Iraq.
time.
Yeah, it's
So
my
that's
first
why
time.
you couldn't tell.
No, and I've never met anyone from Iraq. You're like my first person to meet in Iraq, actually.
Yeah, okay.
Wait, Ahmed, are you like a YouTuber or something?
Yeah, how could you find out this?
I know you are. You are, right?
Really?
Are
Yeah,
you?
I'm a YouTuber. Yeah. Yeah, but not that YouTubers like filming everything. No, I'm like just posting my Cambly experience, something
Oh!
related with the English.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. That's amazing. I
Yeah.
knew it because you have a really nice headset and your
Mm-hmm.
background is really gorgeous. And I was like, I don't know.
Thank,
I'm very intuitive, Ahmed. I can tell a lot of
thank
things
you.
by just like talking with people, you know?
Yeah, yeah. But let
Yeah,
me explain. I work with technology. Okay, this is my main job, and
right.
I like to hang around with Cambly tutors and like making
Right.
videos. So actually, I got students to help them with their English. Okay,
Oh.
yeah. So every time I change, the background, like sometimes my students, get bored, being the same background. So I always like change the background, you know,
Right.
um, like to give them the good vibes.
Wow, that's so cool actually. And it's really, I think it's very beautiful what you're doing. I tell you why, because I also make YouTube videos actually.
Awesome. Yeah, I could tell, because when I first like met you, like, wow, she lives in caravan. What do you call it? Like caravan, right?
Let me show. Do you want to see where I'm living?
Yes,
I can
please.
show you. Yeah, yeah. Let me show you. So this is my home.
Mm-hmm. Lovely. Wow.
I just
Okay.
got it and I converted it on the inside. So it has like a bed, a cooking station, everything like that. And I'm traveling around Portugal at the moment.
Uh-huh. Okay. So have you like tried another like countries? Tell me about it.
Uh,
I'm like really interested.
oh, well, this is my first country. Coming from South
Mm.
Africa, I left. I'm pretty young as well. How old are you?
I am like 37 years old.
37. Okay, so you're nice and young. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
That's great. I'm
How about
26
you?
years old. Yeah,
26.
26.
Wow. I remember when I was like in the 20s. Wow. Girl, I was like full of energy. I mean, like I'm still, but I'm like, I like started like reducing it.
Really? You started reducing your
Um,
energy?
yeah, because I for you like I'm from like I come from the future of you. So when you get like 30s, sometimes
Mm.
you need to like break some habits.
Oh my
I
gosh.
don't know. Yeah,
Good. I'm not
living it,
excited.
living it,
Oh.
living it. You are living it. Like the 20s, it's like amazing.
Yeah, I'm
You
loving my
can
20s
you can do
actually.
crazy stuff.
Yeah, but sometimes I don't feel like when it gets to my birthday, then I'm almost shocked. I don't feel like I'm a different age. So it shocks me a little bit.
Ah,
Yeah.
wow.
But you're making me a
Maybe
little bit scared now because you said your energy is I don't feel like your energy is reduced. Because I thought maybe we were the same age.
wow. You are making someone day. Thank you so much.